Hello viewers, how are you? I think everyone are well. Okay, I wanted to showing computerized a fully automatic strip cutter machine. This is a Saloon brand. This is a Saloon brand. Okay, very good. Okay, now machine I want to run. Okay, power 1. Okay, now display will be show. Okay, yes, yeah, yes. Now press English. Okay, this is a home position 0. If you press the left button, then machine will be go left side, and X will be changed, and when you will be press a right button, then it will be go right side. This machine will be go right side. Okay, well, when you will be press return to 0, then machine will be go automatically a home position. Okay, what is the problem? Wait. Okay, this is a coordinate clearance. When you will be press this one, it will be home position automatically set. Okay, and now you press the left side and then press this return to 0. Okay, I think there are some problem. No problem. Okay, now press, when you will be press cut stop, then round knife will be move, will be run. Now running. Okay, now when you will be press, okay, I am stopping the round knife. Okay, now round knife is stopped. Back, when you will be press back, then machine will be go back. Okay, when you will be front, press front, then round knife will become in front side. Okay, back. Yeah, guys, suppose now machine is going left side. If you press now return to 0, then machine will be a home position. Okay, guys, you know this is a feeding speed volume. If you press to 9 or 8 is max. When will be 4, then machine round knife will be more pressure run. Okay, manual, this is a manual bar, this is manual automatic, and this is manual. When will be touch, that's the manual movement. Okay, this is reverse and obverse, and this one means up, which up and down, press up and down. This is up and down bar. When you will press down, then this bar will be down. Now air is there are no air. For this reason it is not going downside and up. Okay, this is on vacuum off, vacuum on. If you on this, then vacuum will be run. Yeah, okay, down and exit. Okay, there are